What do you think an oil change cost back in 2007, huh? What is up, guys? Welcome back. We're going to talk about how expensive my 2004 Honda Accord is. Even older, reliable Hondas cost a lot of money to maintain. So let's talk about what I have had done recently and how much it has cost. All right, so let's see here. I have service records all the way back to 2007, by the way. What do you think an oil change cost back in 2007, huh? Take a guess. All right, this is $625.07. The cost of an oil and filter change out the door, including tax, is $25.56. Wow. A little more than that now. Okay, most recently in December of 2025, I had an oil change and a transmission fluid change. You got to do that on these 7th generation Hondas. And the total for that, including tax and everything, was $303.89. And I know that is somewhat expensive. The mechanic I go to, shout out to Kurt's Auto Repair in Mechanicsville, they do amazing work. I mean, they go over, they triple check everything, they do a great job. And I'm willing to pay more money to have the best people work on my cars. And yeah, I could have done it myself for like 50 bucks. $100 for both the transmission and oil change, but then I got to deal with everything. So I don't mind spending the extra money. And most recently, we just did pads and rotors, front and rear. And this was expensive. This was $1,138 out the door for front brake pads, for rear brake pads, for the pad set, for the rotors front and rear. But dude, they work so well. They look great. I am very happy. The last 6 months has been roughly $1,500 in repairs. Back in December of 2024, I did have the power steering pump replaced. It went bad. That was out the door $539, but we did oil change as well that year, transmission fluid. Timing belt we did back in 2023. That was $941. So we'll do the math here for the last 2.5 years. So going all the way back to August of 2023, the total's $2,882 in maintenance. If we go back a couple years before that, I had to get new tires. So, another $800 plus your fluid changes, another $1,200 or so. So a good $3,500 in maintenance, I'd say, since I've been driving this car. But again, it's over 20 years old. It's 22 years old. And everything has been done. This car is in excellent shape. And I know some people think it's a waste of money, but I like to maintain cars. It makes me feel good. I love the idea of driving a car that's pretty much analog, that there's no giant screens, there's not a bunch of stuff I have to deal with that I don't want to deal with in the car. I've got a smooth 3-liter J-Series V6 that does what I want it to do. It's been a very reliable car. It gets me from point A to point B, and I'm invisible in this car. And to me, I love that. I love having a daily where I'm invisible. Also, I upgraded all of the bulbs on the inside and the outside of the car to LED, the LED plug-and-play lights. Stay tuned. We're going to do a video covering that, how I did that, and the bulbs that I used, etc. Well worth the money, in my opinion, for the brighter lights and the increased visibility. It's something you should definitely do if you drive an older vehicle, in my opinion. So stay tuned for that. I also upgraded the lights in my 350Z. Well, most of them. We're still working on the headlights. I'm going to have to do a conversion because it has the HID headlights. But we'll get to that. We'll get to all of that too. So stay tuned. I'm going to start going to car shows again, so I'll try to start showing more content. I'm going to do my best to make more car content for you guys again. As some of you may know, I've pivoted away from the car content. I still love cars. I'm still passionate about cars, but my short form videos on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, where I've been sharing lifestyle content, hiking, nature trails, trying new restaurants, that's performing exceptionally well. So you got to kind of make what the people want to see. So, but with that being said, still love cars, still going to make car content. So stay tuned. I know it's been a while, but I am going to bring more content to you guys. And I appreciate you. Thanks for following me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.